Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Shazib Baskamber. Today I'm going to teach you how to clone the PX4 firmware development code from Git in WSL, Windows Subsystem Linux. So let's get started. First of all, you need to connect the WSL, and after connecting the WSL, you have to enter the command to clone PX4 firmware development code. I'm just cutting down all the procedure of downloading because to save the time. After completing the cloning, it automatically downloads its submodules, same as in Autopilot. After completing the cloning, you need to run the script which will be set up all the environment of PX4. Navigate the directory PX4-autopilot, then execute the script. You can see the script path on the screen. Just run it and execute it. It will automatically download all required libraries for the compilation of PX4 firmware and also set up the other toolchains related to PX4. You need to highest internet speed for this purpose. Now script has installed all type of required libraries and packages. After completing this process, you need to restart the whistle. I'm going to restart the whistle using software. It's in a Visual Toolbox you can easily download from the Microsoft Store. You can press from here to restart the whistle. As you can see, I just pressed the button for restarting the whistle. Second, I can show you the other way using command line. Just you need to type the whistle space hyphen hyphen shutdown. It will shut down your by default selected here distro, which is by default set by yourself. After restarting the whistle, we are going to make the simulation of PX4. Now, as you can see, whistle is restarted, and I'm going to connect using VS Code, the whistle. VS Code automatically detect the code and install its extension related to that code. As you can see, the variety of extensions has been appeared which are directed by VS Code and recommended for the installation. I'm going to install all type of the options and extensions which are recommended by VS Code. First, I'm going to build the firmware of PX4. It is only compile the firmware but not show any simulation. Now you can see that the PX4 firmware has successfully built. Now we are going to build again it for simulation purposes. The building command will be same as previous, just we include a keyword and JB sim. After that, we can get the results of simulation. I will connect the simulation on QGCS. For that purpose, I downloaded the QGCS app from its website, and after that we are going to connect the PX4 firmware with QGCS. Normally it doesn't need any connection, just run the simulation and run the QGCS and automatically connect it and stable the connection. For running the QGCS, it requires some permission. You have to give it by chmod plus x and the application name. After that, we run the QGCS dot forward slash and application name of QGCS. Press enter. As you can see, the QGCS has started its services and automatically connected with the PX4 firmware. So our tutorial is completed. So thank you very much for the watching.